Hey guys, so I've arrived in LA and I'm at Pauline's house. She picked me up from the airport. I'm literally so excited. She's been telling me about like all of our plans.
I know, I'm so excited that you're finally here.
I'm just loving everything. Like I was saying to her, like I look at a crossing and I'm like, that's so cool. Like little things.
Everything.
It's just so different. I love it.
Wait till we actually see stuff though.
Oh,
like
I'm
beaches.
so excited. I think we're going to Santa Monica
Tonight for dinner, yeah.
Yes, so I'll show you that as well. So yeah, see you in a bit.
I need to hurry up.
Say hey.
Hey!
So we just went to an Indian cafe in Santa Monica. What's it called?
Samosa House.
Samosa House. And now we're running to the beach to catch the sunset. And we got these coffees from Earth Cafe. I'm literally gonna fall over so bad. So yeah, we're heading to the beach for the sunset. Fingers crossed we make it. And I'll show you the sunset. See, it does look pretty. In the camera it does anyway.
I don't know where their houses are, but their neighborhood and Ryan Gosling.
Oh, I love him.
He would run in. Okay, so my school was in a residential neighborhood, and he'd run right near our school. He lived in the area.
Like we don't get that in England.
Yeah.
You don't get any celebrities coming near.
Oh, yeah.
Security patrol.
Yeah. Whoops. We hit a dead end. We're just following.
And now we're following security. Oh god. He's gonna be like, what are you doing down here? We're like, we're trying to find Rihanna's house.
Not here. It's not here. I'm just like, oh, now he's following us. He can't drive us out. I'm gonna be like, I'm from the neighborhood, and my friend's from England, and she just wants to check out the houses. Oh my god, don't tell me we're hitting another dead end.
Oh my god, that would be so funny.
Also, look at these houses, they're huge.
Damn.
Thank god we lost security. Security?
Wow.
Security?
Nice. I wonder if this is another dead end.
No, there's a place right near us called Playa Vista.
Oh no, we can't go around here.
I don't even know where we're going. Oh, we did hit another dead end. Right? Yeah, fuck. Okay.
That security guy is gonna be like, come on guys.
I know. Oh my god, this is just so embarrassing.
Just hitting every dead end. Literally, if security come down here, I'm not with you. Like, I'm just some tourist that's catching a lift. This is my first Redbox experience. What movie?
Green Book looks good.
Which one's that?
Green Book? That.
Oh, that was on the plane, but I didn't watch it.
Do you want to? It's good too.
Yeah.
It deals with American history. It's based on a true story.
Ooh.
And it's about a black man who travels to the South. And back then you couldn't travel to the South. And he hires a white driver to take him to the South.
Ooh.
Other than that, I don't know the other movies, so...
Yeah. Well, that one sounds good.
Man, I want to get the Amy's first time out of Green Book